Hello guys, we are back again. Today we're gonna make crepe. Our ingredients here, it's 100-gram flour, and we have here strawberry, we have here butter, it's melted already, we have here vanilla, we have here pure honey, we have here chocolate, then we have here 1 egg, we have 1 cup of milk, 100 ml. We have here food color, 3 teaspoons sugar, pinch of salt, and here we have cheese. So we're gonna start our crepe. So let's get started. Here what we're gonna use for now: the flour, milk, butter, vanilla, the egg, sugar, and salt. First thing, we're gonna just put the egg. For 100-gram flour, you can use only 1 egg. Then put the sugar. Here we put the salt. Let's beat this one first. Some other people use the mixer just to mix it, but doesn't need any. So we just beat the egg with the sugar and salt. We put the milk. So mix together. Put the vanilla. Gonna put the butter. Butter like 30 gram. It's not that much, so the butter will help later. It will not stick, you know. Just put the flour. Container is not that big. You mix slowly. Mix well together. And we need to strain this one. Okay, so it will not be, you know, very rough later. You can strain this one, and I will be back to you guys. Here our mixture, guys. I strain it well. Here our pan that we're gonna use, and then here our spatula that it can tolerate 300-degree temperature. Then here our mixture. Yeah, we're gonna use this little. Hit the pan little bit. Just put drops of oil. Put here, then turn. Shake it always at the side. Try to remove it. That's good. Let's try to make for the kids blue color crepe. We'll mix the yellow color here. Let's make it yellow color. flip it easy. Here our yellow crepe. Looks yummy. Really looks yummy. It's cooked. It's cooked already. Guys, here our finished product. Our crepe filled with honey and chocolate. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you try it at home and see you in a next dish, next creation.